Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel Bajaj Allianz policy online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Cancel your Bajaj Allianz insurance policy. What you need to do first is head over and open up your My Allianz application and be sure to be logged in with the credentials to access your Bajaj Allianz account. Then once inside, simply navigate to My Policies by simply tapping on My Policies section to view your insurance policies. Then simply select the policy to cancel by choosing the policy you wish to cancel, and then look for the cancel policy option and then simply tap on it. Then provide the cancellation details by entering the required information such as the reason for cancellation and any other necessary details. Then simply submit the request by reviewing the information and submitting your cancellation request. Then you'll receive a confirmation notification once your cancellation request is processed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you had, and see you soon on the next one.